Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to add to your Walmart pickup order after you've already ordered your groceries. So this is an example of an order that I just placed. I will be picking up a curbside order a couple of days from now, and this is the email that they sent me confirming my order. You can see that they just sent it to my email. So the first thing that you want to do is locate the email that confirms your order. From there, you'll go ahead and scroll down. They'll have your order location, time, how to go ahead and go pick up your order. And down, if you keep scrolling down past this area, there's actually going to be a little note that says, did you forget something? You can make changes anytime until 1:45 a.m. on Friday, February 19th. And you can click Make Changes. From there, it'll take you to your Walmart app. And then once that pops up, it'll give you, of course, all your details, but then it says, want to add something new? Keep shopping to add new items to your cart. Go ahead and click on that blue text where it says keep shopping, and it will take you back to the main app, and you can search for items, scroll the main page, scroll through departments, etc., and add as many items as you need. At this time that I'm making the video, there's not currently any limits to how many items you can add. For this example, I'm going to add this $1 chimichanga. Click the blue button, Add to Existing Order. There's also an option to start a new order if you do not wish to add it to your previous order. In this case, I am adding it. You just click Add. And from there, you will actually get a confirmation saying right there on the app that they've updated your order. And then be sure to go back to your email and check your email. They will send you a new one that says your order has been updated. It'll show you what was added to your order. And then you can also scroll down and see what was not changed from your order. So everything you previously ordered is still on your order. So there you go. Quick and easy way to add to your Walmart pickup order. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will catch y'all in the next video. If you need a more detailed Walmart how-to, definitely be sure to check out my other Walmart videos for tips and tricks. Bye-bye!